Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Chalk. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the latest job opportunities. Today we have come up with a new job opportunity. Let's see. So the name of the company is Honeywell and the website is www.honeywell.com. You can visit this website in order to know more about the company, so it will help you during the interview process. Next, the job location of the company is Bangalore, that is Karnataka. The people who will be joining the company will have to move to Bangalore later on. The next thing is interview location. So all of the rounds are possible to happen over the Zoom, Skype or Google Meet. So you may receive links in order to attend the interview. The job position offered by the company is software engineer. Company has divided the software engineer category in multiple sections. So this is the first section for which they are hiring right now. Let's see the next thing. Required qualifications. So you need bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science in order to apply for this job. The next thing about this job is experience required. All the freshers only can apply for this job. If you are a fresher and passed out recently, then you are eligible to apply for this job. The next thing to know about this job is salary offered by the company. So the salary which will be offered by the company will be best in the industry. They have not specified anything right now in terms of numbers. So next thing, let's see the job description, what they have described about this job. So the candidate who is going to apply should be able to have the understanding various software development life cycle. Candidate demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality software. Candidate must have knowledge of software configuration management and change management practices. Candidate must have diverse and global team and collaboration. Next, candidate must have effective communication. Candidate must be a effective communicator. Candidate can quickly analyze, incorporate and apply new information and concepts. Candidate should have ability to convey subtle and or complex messages clearly as appropriate for the topic and audience. Candidate must have the ability to code in multiple languages. The next thing about this job opportunity is like additional information. ID is given here, so you can directly apply for this job, but you can do one more thing. You can take this job ID and you can contact any person in the organization and he may help you job. He can directly refer you to that particular job. The job category is basically engineering and the complete location is mentioned here. You can read this location. Let's see the next thing. So how you can apply for this job. The link to apply for this job has been given in the video description, so you can go there and apply for this job. There also you will find the link to follow our LinkedIn page as well as the Instagram page. So I will suggest you to follow our Instagram page because we are posting a lot of jobs on daily basis on our Instagram page, so must follow us on Instagram. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and if you like this job then please share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.